I want to talk about proper garbage disposal. So, introduction. Proper waste disposal is vital for preserving our natural surroundings. Effective waste management helps maintain clean streets and public space, reducing the visual impact of litter and ensuring that waste does not harm wildlife. Methodology. Data was collected through face-to-face surveys with 30 selected residents of Barangay Lamisa. They took 30 people from the Lamisa and they picked up the trash from the Lamisa. Results. Proper waste removal helps improve air and water quality as well as reduce greenhouse emissions. It helps in minimizing the extraction of resources along with reducing pollution and energy consumption, which is associated with manufacturing new materials. Discussion. One of the primary benefits of waste management lies in its ability to minimize of the environmental impact of human activities. Proper waste disposal and recycling reduce the amounts of waste that ends up in landfills or incinerators, thereby decreasing greenhouse gas emission and air pollution. Conclusion. Proper waste disposal is vital for preserving our natural surroundings. Effective waste management helps maintain clean streets and public space, reducing the visual impact of litter and ensuring that waste does not harm wildlife. Recommendation. Segregating waste can improve the recycling process. For example, separating wet waste from dry waste is a simple way to help to recycle non-biodegradable waste and treat biodegradable waste directly.